Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Guys, I'm bringing you this story on this beast you see here on your screen. Y'all, oh my God. Guys, her name is Stephanie Binder. This bee tried to kidnap 4 kids on their way to school. Guys, listen to this crap.
Stephanie Marie Binder.
Thank you. This will be case 210623770, State of Michigan versus Stephanie Marie Binder. Appearances starting with the APA, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Emily Ann, 80553 for the people.
Thank you, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Please, the Honorable Court, Brandon Bird on behalf of Stephanie Binder. My client waives her right to form brief, understands the constitutional rights and is paying you.
Thank you. Court will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. As to bond, please.
Your Honor, the people are asking for a remand in this matter. I know the court had an opportunity to review the warrant prior to signing, but the allegation in this case is very serious. There were 4 children walking to school. Ms. Binder approached in a stolen van that she admittedly stole and lured the children into her van and drove away with the children, telling them she was taking them to school. The youngest child got into the van, at which time the oldest child, who was 11, tried to grab his brother back, but Ms. Binder got out of the car and pushed them toward her van, telling them to get in. Once the children were in the van, Ms. Binder drove. And Ms. Binder both admit that Ms. Binder admits she'd never seen or met these children before and had no authority to pick them up. The children had never met Ms. Binder before. Ms. Binder begins driving and is pulled over because she runs a red light. Once the officers stop, they see that there are children in the back crying. They ask Ms. Binder, "Are these your children?" And she says, yes, they are not her children. The officers, due to the emotions of the children in the back, again, they are 11, 8, 7, and 5, they ask if they know this woman, and the children shake their heads. At that point, Ms. Binder is detained, but it's quite frankly terrifying. These children were simply walking to school on Tuesday morning and are essentially lured and taken into a van. Had the officers not pulled them over, who knows where these children would be. Especially concerning is this is clearly a public safety issue. Ms. Binder did not know these children. She admits that. She admits she saw them playing in the front yard, drove up and got them into her van. She admits that she's never met their mother. Their mother confirms she has no idea who Ms. Binder is. Once in the van, the children were essentially at her mercy, and had she not been pulled over, certainly the children, we do not know what would have happened to them. Ms. Binder has a lengthy criminal history, multiple retail frauds. I think she has multiple failure to appear warrants, as I've reviewed the file. She also just was discharged from parole after serving a sentence for failure to stay at the scene of an accident when she was at fault and the accident caused death. So she had just been discharged from parole in April of 2021. She also has a prior felony drug conviction and a prior felony retail fraud conviction. I think that should Ms. Binder be given any bond, it would be a grave safety risk to the public, given what I just expressed to you, that these children were not her children. She did not know these children. And they were simply plucked off the street by her and driven away. This has caused tremendous trauma to the mother of the children, and this situation is the thing that is every parent's literal worst nightmare, and the things that we warn our children about. So for those reasons, Judge, and I would note she's charged with 4 life offenses, 4 15-year felonies, and 2 5-year felonies. So for those, the court does not have to give bond pursuant to the court rules. I think a remand is appropriate given serious charges as well as the likelihood of conviction. For those reasons, Judge, I'm asking you to set this at remand.
Thank you, counsel. Defense.
Yeah, my client indicates that she's a 38-year-old lifelong resident of Michigan. Unfortunately, she's unemployed right now. Difficult for her to pay a high amount to bond, but she indicates to us that she is in college. She indicates to us that she's not on probation or parole. She lives here with a friend in the city. Your Honor, I understand the sort of nature of these allegations and the seriousness of these allegations, Your Honor. But we respectfully ask this court potentially for monetary bond that maybe Ms. Binder may be able to afford in this matter. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. One moment. I just want to make a reference to something. I'll be right back. Okay. So back on the record in Binder.
Your Honor. Your Honor.
Ms. Binder, I'm sure your counsel will inform you that you do have the right to remain silent and suggest that you exercise that right at this time. You're charged with multiple life offenses, and I'm sure you'd be mortified if you started talking on the record. So I would say hold your question, okay?
All right.
All right, here's what the court's going to do. In reviewing the pretrial release court rule, there's some question in my mind as to whether or not remand is appropriate under the rule. However, court will set bond as follows. Ms. Binder, should you post bond, you are to have no contact with the complaining witnesses in this matter. I'm not going to name them due to their minor status. You'll also have a GPS tether on full house arrest. If you go anywhere other than home, you'll be put back in jail. Is that clear to you, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
What else do we have? You're also not to use or possess any illegal controlled substances while this case is pending. Court will set bond at $5 million, cash or surety. Next court date will be December 14, probable cause conference, December 21, preliminary exam, both in front of Judge King. Anything else from either counsel?
Your Honor, I just want to add that my client is, I understand that it seems that there's one in the mouth. Proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. $5 million is the same as
So court had the opportunity earlier in the week to review and authorize one or more search warrants in this matter. Additionally, the court reviewed and authorized the arrest warrant this morning. Being somewhat very familiar with the allegations here and the clearly terrifying nature of the allegations that Ms. Binder allegedly picked up 4 children in a van or some type of vehicle that was marked as if it was from some sort of daycare center. Picked up 4 children that she did not know without any authorization. And it's literally, as the APA has indicated, a parent's worst nightmare. So it's not my intention that Ms. Binder be able to post that bond. Anything further from anyone else? Thank you. Anything else, APA?
No, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
Just thank everyone that's involved, that my children are back home safe.
Back home where they belong, after police say this woman, Stephanie Marie Binder, was charged with kidnapping Burleigh's 4 children as they walked to school on Tuesday, ages 5 to 11.
I hope she get the maximum time, period, and can't say what I really want to say.
Watching the video of the incident, it was quick. comes down to policing, sometimes it's the right place, the right time. That day I feel like I was at the right place in the right time. And I'm happy they're at home with you.
I cried so hard when I first saw my daughter. She ran up to me and gave me the biggest hug. I was just happy that nothing, that they wasn't harmed.
Binder is facing several charges and has a $5 million bond. Police say Binder, the woman accused in this case, has a criminal background.
Man, this shit is scary as hell. You send your child to school and you get a call from the police that not only one of your children were kidnapped, but all four by some sick, crazy ass lunatic. If it wasn't for that police officer being on point and very observant, who knows what would have happened to those babies? And some people are saying, why did the kids get in the van? Well, I say you just never know what will happen or what she said to those babies, because as we all heard, the 6-year-old went to get in the van, but the older brother, who's 11, pulled him back. So she got out of the van and made them get in. In my head, I'm thinking she got out of that van on some real bully, scary shit towards the older brother. Y'all know it, where there's the leader of the pack. So you take him down and the head honcho and the rest will follow. Y'all know that saying. That's what I think. That's just my opinion. What's y'all thoughts on that? Because she got out of that van and took control over that 11-year-old. That's just my opinion. And again, oh my God, this is this is mind-boggling. And the fact, that she had a whole daycare van, y'all, with everything, you just never know. That she stole hours before. And did y'all take note of her demeanor during her bail hearing, which I feel she shouldn't have even gotten a bail, even if it is $5 million, because who knows, what type of sicko or crazy ass organization that will help her. Y'all know what I'm saying with this, the kids trafficking and all these children missing and stuff. I'm just saying, she was bold as hell the way she just took those kids. And it's just something about her demeanor in court that has my antennas going up. What y'all think about that? Drop down in that comment box. Let's get the conversation brewing. I will be bringing you guys more updates on this case as more information comes out, because I don't know, guys, for some reason, something is really fishy about this whole case. I'm just not all the way there with this whole thing. Something is just not right. Something is fishy about it. But with that being said, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you already have it. And hit that notification bell so you'll be sure to see when I drop new videos and bring you more content. And guys, follow me on all my platforms, IG, Twitter, and Facebook, all at Sister Girl Talk TV. Bye.